Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your living room with a comfortable, stylish, and modern sofa, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best sofas of 2025, selected based on comfort, build quality, design, versatility, and overall value for money. You'll find the latest prices and deals in the description below. Now, check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Oversized Cloud Boneless Couch with Chaise. This oversized cloud-style sofa is designed for maximum comfort and flexibility. It features a deep seat, modular design, and boneless structure, making it perfect for lounging, movie nights, or relaxing with family. The sofa comes with various configuration options, built-in storage, and requires no assembly, which is a big plus. Pros: ultra-deep, cloud-like seating comfort. Modular design with multiple layout options. Built-in storage compartments. No assembly required. Modern and premium look. Cons: takes up more space. Higher price compared to standard sofas. If comfort is your top priority and you want a luxury, modern centerpiece for your living room, this cloud couch is an excellent choice. Number 2. JAMFLY 3-Seat Convertible L-Shaped Sectional. The JAMFLY L-Shaped Sectional is perfect for small living rooms, apartments, and studios. It comes with a reversible ottoman, allowing you to customize the layout based on your space. Its upholstered fabric finish gives it a clean, modern appearance, while still being practical and budget-friendly. Pros: ideal for small spaces. Reversible ottoman for flexible layout. Modern, minimalist design. Affordable price point. Cons: not as plush as larger sofas. Limited seating depth. This sofa is a great option for anyone living in an apartment or compact space who wants style without sacrificing functionality. Number 3. Vongrasig Convertible Sectional Couch. This 3-seat L-shaped sectional features soft corduroy fabric, removable pillows, and a mid-century modern design. It's compact, cozy, and works well in living rooms, offices, or apartments. The cushioning offers a nice balance between softness and support. Pros: soft and stylish corduroy fabric. Removable and adjustable pillows. Compact and space-saving design. Good balance of comfort and support. Cons: limited seating capacity. Fabric may require extra care. If you're looking for a stylish, comfortable sectional with a cozy feel, this is a solid mid-range option. Number 4. Hobestluk Sectional Sofa Couch with Oversized Chaise. The Hobestluk sectional sofa brings cloud-style comfort with an oversized chaise that's perfect for stretching out and relaxing. Its L-shaped design offers generous seating while maintaining a clean, modern look that fits well in contemporary homes. Pros: oversized chaise for extra comfort. Soft, cloud-style cushions. Modern and elegant design. Great for lounging and relaxation. Cons: requires sufficient floor space. Limited color options. This sofa is ideal for families or anyone who loves a spacious, cozy seating experience with a premium feel. Number 5. 83-inch Teddy Fabric Loveseat Sofa. This compact Loveseat sofa features Teddy fabric upholstery, solid wood frame, and tool-free setup, making it extremely easy to install. It's a great choice for small living rooms, bedrooms, or offices, offering comfort without overwhelming the space. Pros: soft and cozy teddy fabric. Tool-free, quick setup. Solid wood construction. Perfect for small spaces. Cons: smaller seating size. Not ideal for large families. If you want a stylish, comfortable sofa for a smaller space, this Loveseat delivers excellent value and ease of use. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 best sofas of 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Check the description below for links and deals on all the sofas we reviewed. See you in the next video.